Nice. Okay.
It's one of the tournaments which is getting attention all over East Africa. After having several tournaments in the last years, and after organizing big competition here in Wasingishu, many people trust the tournament that we organize here through Kenya Volleyball Federation, North Rift, and also national office. In previous years, we had Paul Bitok International Tournament, we had Amako International Tournament, and other small tournaments. And we saw that the county government of Wasingishu is coming up with a city, and we saw that it is important for us to be part of the coming city of Eldoret.
As you are aware, this region is a nursery for sportsmen and women, that's volleyball and athletics. We are professionals from this region, which started from our local tournaments. Okay, the aim of tournaments actually is to nurture talents. And we have nurtured a lot of talents in this region.